this channel. In this video, I'll explain you the 4 marks important questions of second year botany for half yearly. Okay students, clear everyone? Half yearly exam, botany, 4 marks important questions. So now let us see from first chapter from first unit. So plant physiology, from that unit transportation in plants. What are the important short answer questions from these? Only one short answer will come, but there are 8 important short answers. They are define and explain water potential. So water potential, that we are denoting it with a psi W. So solute potential and then pressure potential plays very vital role in the water potential, that we should explain. And coming to the facilitated diffusion, write a short note on facilitated diffusion. So here porins and porins plays a vital role in the diffusion with the help of special proteins, and then plasmolysis. So this entire chapter based on osmosis and diffusion. Okay students, and then plasmolysis and how it is practically useful to us, that we should explain. So next, essence of sap occur in tall plants, tall trees. So how tall trees get water with the help of essence of sap, we should explain. Mechanism of opening and closing. So here K plus ions plays a vital role, and pH also. How the guard cells get water and how they maintain turgidity, we should explain in this answer. Then pressure flow of hypothesis in transportation. So explain pressure flow hypothesis of transportation of sugars in plants. How sugars transport in the plants, we should explain it with the pressure flow hypothesis. So this is also very easy answer. So next, transportation is a necessary, we will explain why it is very necessary and how it demerits and merits of transportation, we should explain in this answer. Transportation, transpiration and photosynthesis, a compromise. How these two occurs in a plant body, we should explain. So these are the 8 important answers in first chapter. Next, third chapter, enzymes. So in the enzymes, 3 are there. What are they? First one, explain, write briefly about inhibitors. There are 3 types of inhibitors. They are competitive inhibitor, non-competitive inhibitor and feedback inhibitor. You should explain about the 3. Next, explain different types of cofactors. There are 3 types of cofactors. They are prosthetic group, coenzyme group and metal ion. About that 3 you should explain. And explain the mechanism of enzyme action. How the substrate and enzyme will join together, and how the substrate converts into product, and how the enzyme gets separated from product, we should explain. So students, very important chapter, easily you can score marks, is the enzyme chapter in entire second year botany. Okay, everybody prepare these 3 answers and go to exam. So next chapter is photosynthesis in higher plants. Here only 4 short answers. What are they? Draw a neat label diagram of chloroplast. Should draw diagram of chloroplast and differences between C3 and C4 plants. 8 to 10 you should write, and describe C4 pathway, and here how the oxaloacetic acid and how it converts into carbohydrate, we should explain it with the C4 pathway, and write describe in brief photorespiration. So here how visco RUBP, how it converts into carbon dioxide, and that we should explain in this answer. So these are the 4 important answers in 4th chapter. Next chapter is 6th one, that is plant growth and development. So in this chapter, remaining concepts are deleted except one, that is phytohormones. So that regulators are what here? Write a short note on horticultural applications of auxins. So 4 phytohormones are there in the 4 short answers. They are auxins and physiological response of gibberellins in plants, and then effects of cytokinins in plants, and then how the process that is regulated by ethylene in plants. So this is the only hormone which is in gaseous form. So that 4 we should explain in the case of 6th chapter. Coming to the viruses here 5 questions are important. So they are explain the chemical structure of viruses and structure of TMV tobacco mosaic virus and T even bacteriophage. So the respective diagrams and explanations are very important. So next, lytic cycle with reference to certain viruses. So here this is very easy answer. So viruses easily we can attempt all the answers if you read thoroughly. Like in the lytic cycle there are different stages like penetration, um, that 5 stages you should uh, prepare and diagram also. So next, what is ICTV and then how the virus naming possible with the help of these ICTV we should explain. Okay students, so they are the important short answer questions for half yearly second year botany. So if you like this video, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.